onion, looking for a small dice. When the sausage is cooked most of the way through, I can go ahead and throw the onion in, because I really want the onion to just cook. That way there's more. Down a bit, because my sausage is starting to brown. A little browning in there is okay, but you don't want too much. Remember, this is a filling. Chicken broth right there. So, we're going to clean them a bit, and I'll be right back. Here. Yep. And yeah, you hear me sniffling. The onions really started to get to me. That right into the sauce. Now we have warming up here. Oh, sausage is just about done. Onions have turned translucent. That's exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that one off. Chicken broth is done. Turn that off. Oops, that's wrong. Alright. Now, potstickers, the dumpling skins. you want to. I'm going to go ahead and just dive right in. Alright. So take your dumpling skin, one. Don't want to double them up. Take your brush with water and you just wet the edge. Right around the edges, like so. Get a spoonful of your mixture. Right in the center. Then you simply gather it up. And you press the edges closed. And it literally is that simple. There you go. Pot sticker. I'll place that right in the pan. Now I'll get some more of these done and I'll get right back to you. Alright. Now I've got myself a nice pot full of pot stickers. Right there. Now at this point, what you can do is wrap them up tightly. Well, not too tightly because you don't want to crush them. And then freeze them if you wanted to. But what we're going to do is go ahead and cook these off. So bring a medium high there. Put a little olive oil in here. That's basically caramelize the bottom because, you know, you get them, sometimes you'll see that caramelization on the bottom. That can either come from this process, this step here, or possibly even a reheat. Of course, I got the one. That was dumb. We'll do that. And then they'll get poached, or actually steamed, with the chicken broth. Not just plain water. Remember, to add flavor. So, I need the lid. As I said, it's not going to take very long. Look at that. Doesn't take long at all. Then, time for the steaming. Like so. In the steam, turn down to medium low. Let them steam for about. Oh, by the way, something else you can do with these, because pot stickers are very versatile. You don't have to use pork. Me, I've got some leftover chili. Oh, sure, I could just heat up the chili, or I can make pot stickers out of them. Beans included. So, when you're using this very versatile technique for the snack, be a little creative. There you go. And all you gotta do is cook them off the exact same way. Now, you can use chicken stock, or if you want to use beef stock, because you're using beef filling, that's fine. My main concern is because of the real savory and richness of the soy sauce and the sesame oil dipping sauce. I would stick more towards the lighter end and use the chicken stock instead.